I'm going to be reviewing Passion Footwear. I recently ordered some kind of for like a special occasion, and I have had kind of a wild experience. I've never had any experience like this before, so I can't wait to tell you guys about it. So starting off, I got a job as like a character performer, like party princess type thing. So I thought, wow, what a perfect occasion to get a pair of Pashions, because they'd been showing up on my TikTok a lot, and I just really love the concept of being able to take the heel off, switch it into a flat, you know, switch out the heels. I think that's just so cool, and I wanted a pair, but it's a little pricey, so I couldn't just like buy it for no reason. So I finally had my reason, and I wanted the Ballet Pump, the round toe. I could wear it as a flat or I could wear it as a heel. I got the 4-inch block heel, and I wanted it in like a latte leather because I just needed like a really neutral character shoe, right? So I thought this was so perfect. I can wear this for so many different occasions, especially being able to swap out the heel and whatever. So yeah, that's what I ordered. And then when it first arrived, I was so excited because it's so beautiful. Check out that gorgeous packaging. Oh my god, I love that color. But it was not the Ballet Pump, it is the Sling Back in latte leather. But the Sling Back is a very different shoe than the round toe Ballet Pump. So I did need them for this event, this character performer job. I didn't like specifically need them on a timeline when I had first ordered the shoe, but then after, like, I did need the shoes for one of the character performer job gigs, whatever, so I wore them, and they're pretty cute. They're super comfy, and I really love the heel concept. I didn't switch it out like when I was wearing it. I just wore it as this, but it was so comfortable, and I even wore it out in the snow. I'm Canadian, so I was out in the snowbank trying to march to the car through the driveway, whatever. So it held up really well. There's like nothing really noticeable, no damage or any dirt or anything to it, so super sturdy shoe, and it was just so comfortable. I wore it all day. The Sling Back irritated my ankle just a little bit, but that was only because I had a pre-existing blister there. So if it wasn't for that, it would have been perfect. After this whole situation happened, they did tell me that I have to return them, even though I did have to wear them outside and everything. So it is what it is, I guess. The customer service has been pretty great. They've replied to me really quickly every time I've emailed them, and they were on top of things. This was just like a weird warehouse mishap, I guess. Super unfortunate. Let me try these on for you guys though, because they were really cute, and even though it wasn't what I ordered, I wasn't super mad about it. So here they are. They're really not anything crazy special, but they worked out perfectly for what I needed still. And I know some people worry about the pointed toe options not really going flat, but I found that it was really not that big of a deal. It's not something I care about that much. They're super comfortable. It's just a shame that this wasn't what I ordered, and then even though I had worn them and grown attached to them, they're making me send them back. So that's okay. Oh, guess what happened? So when I emailed them the first time and said, hey, you sent me the wrong shoe, here's photo proof, and whatever, they saw it didn't match what I ordered, and they immediately sent me the wrong shoe again. The exact same wrong shoe again. So it was the Sling Back in latte leather. Gorgeous shoe, but now I've got two of them, and it was not what I had originally ordered. So as soon as I had seen these ones, I didn't take them out or anything because I was like, what the heck is going on? So it's all packaged just beautifully, but not what I ordered. I also have 2 sets of the 4-inch block heel in Latte. So I have to send back both the pairs of Sling Backs and 1 pair of heels, and then just get to keep my original order. Wow, what the heck happened here? I've never experienced anything like this, ordering anything in my life. So it's been entertaining, I guess. I hope it's not a regular thing, because I would really love to order Pashions again, because I really love the shoes. I love the concept. It's so freaking cool. Even though it is expensive, I can kind of justify it to myself because I love them. But not if my order's gonna get messed up every time, because this was like kind of a disaster. So I don't know. That's all I can really say about that. I'm gonna put on one of these 4-inch blocks with the Sling Back heel, and then I'll try on my final Ballet Pump of what I originally wanted. And then you guys can tell me if you think I made the right choice with what I ordered, or if I should have just accepted the Sling Back. I don't know. I do think the Ballet Pump is cuter though still. Anyway, I'll show you. So even these are just packaged really nicely. Something I guess I didn't really realize is that for the Sling Back and the Ballet Pump, there isn't like the flat cap option, I guess. You get the, I think, 1.5 block just as is. Because I thought I was supposed to get a flat cap, but then I got these. But I think that is the default flat cap for those styles. I don't know. You literally just twist the heel and it comes right off. So that's that little heel compared to the 4-inch block. So it's so cool how this shoe is able to change the style like that. I'm obsessed with it. It's that easy. It's so cool. So these are a really cute option, either with the flat cap or the 4-inch block heel, but let's see that Ballet Pump. So finally, here is my Ballet Pump in Latte leather. I should say that they do have like a little instruction booklet, because the heels can be a little bit like stiff and a little tricky to figure out at first, but then it's super easy once you get the hang of it. And just like a little note. So we've got the flat caps, and then the shoe itself. So I totally see why people get nervous about it like looking like that if you were wearing it, but it does weigh itself down fairly evenly, and I will show you. Even check that out. It's got a little cutout for the brand name. It's so cute. I love the packaging here. So this is just how the shoe comes shipped. Should take the little sticker off. You twist this, and you can just get rid of that, I guess. I don't really have anywhere to store it, so I think I might just store them together and keep that. I don't know. But this is the arch support for when you go up to that, 4-inch block. It helps you have a really stable and secure and supportive heel that is still super comfortable. But then when you go down to a flat, you take off that arch support and then it flattens out, right? So I'll show you all of it. I'm gonna start with these ones in the 4-inch block, and then I'll show you guys them in a flat. So with the Stello, press the button, twist, lock. And it feels like super secure. I just think these ones are a little bit more practical for every occasion. The Sling Back is a gorgeous option, but considering I needed these shoes to be a character performer, I'm gonna be wearing them under like gowns, like no one's gonna really be seeing the shoes. They're just a neutral option. And then I figured after I've been working, if I'm like running around, I can just take it all off and then switch out for a flat. So this is the result that I wanted from my Passion order. The Sling Back was really cool to try out. It kind of sucks that I have to send it back, seriously, after wearing it for like working a shift and outside. But you know, I'm sure I'll still be a customer again, hopefully with a better result the next time, I guess. But let me know what you think about these shoes, or if you have any questions, I guess, about the quality of them. I think they're really great. It was literally just the mix-up and everything that was concerning for the experience, especially considering the price point, but it is what it is. I'm happy. Finally, I got my correct result. They really are just super comfy as well, and hopefully they hold up and last a long time and I can continue being a customer. Let me know what you guys think.